Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your Figma designs directly within Visual Studio Code. First, you will need to install the dedicated Figma for VSCode extension from the marketplace. Once installed, you'll authenticate your Figma account, which typically takes less than 1 minute. This integration allows you to browse your Figma projects and files without ever leaving your code editor, streamlining your development workflow significantly. The Figma for VSCode extension is the essential tool for bridging your design and development environments. It provides a powerful interface to view design tokens, inspect component properties, and even generate useful code snippets directly from your selected Figma layers. This saves developers a significant amount of time, reducing context switching and ensuring design consistency across your projects. This integration streamlines your design-to-development workflow by allowing you to inspect various design elements, such as colors, typography, and spacing, with precision. You can easily copy generated CSS, HTML, or even React code snippets, accelerating your front-end development. This direct access fosters better collaboration between designers and developers, ensuring a more cohesive and efficient project delivery. Beyond basic inspection, the extension offers several key features. You can view live Figma prototypes directly within your editor, providing immediate visual feedback. It also allows access to your design system components and their variants, ensuring consistent usage. Furthermore, the integration helps you stay updated with design changes in near real time, minimizing discrepancies between design and implementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.